Hi everyone, welcome to your course English 4E, Communication and Presentation Skills. So for this meeting, I will just be providing you a very short introduction on the things that you need to know about this particular course. So as you can see, this is the title of our course, Communication and Presentation Skills. And I will be your instructor throughout the half of this semester. My name is Engineer Junaika A. Tapiador. So we have 5 topics that we'll be covering for this introduction. The very first one is your course description. So this course is designed to prepare senior engineering and architecture students in professional communications and presentations. Exercises and lectures shall include activities and topics on written, oral, and public communications, web-based information presentation, professional interpersonal communications, visual and multimedia presentations, research skills, and corporate or business communications. Next topic is your course learning outcomes. Your course learning outcomes are commonly referred to as your CLO. These are the things that you should be able then to learn, or you should be able then to achieve to pass this particular course. So you have your CLO number 1, discuss the basics of communication and technical communication. Your CLO number 2, apply the concepts of written communication. CLO number 3, apply the concepts of oral communication. CLO number 4, write and present an individual research proposal aligned with institutional research programs. CLO number 5, write and present a multidisciplinary research proposal aligned with institutional research programs. Your CLO number 6, qualify in a simulated job interview. Your 7th CLO is write memorandums, advertisements, letters, minutes of the meeting, and reports, both activity and technical. So I believe this should be CLO number 8. Sorry for the error. Participate in the planning, implementation, and reporting. So next topic is your course syllabus and topic learning outcomes. So our course will comprise of 4 modules. So your module number 1 under midterm is entitled Communication Concepts and Principles, wherein we will be tackling human communication, the communication process, elements of communication, universalities of communication, intrapersonal and interpersonal communication, and engineering and scientific communication. Also under midterm is your module number 2, which is entitled Written Communication. We will learn the topics Business Communication, IELTS Standard of Writing Essays and Letters, Writing a Research Proposal, and Electronic Communication. So let's go now to your TLOs, or your topic learning outcomes. So at the end of midterm, these are the things that you should have achieved. Define human communication, discuss the communication process, enumerate the elements of communication, discuss the nature of engineering communication, prepare a reflection paper for interpersonal communication, prepare a reflection paper on engineering and science communication. So if you take a look here, for every topic learning outcome, a course learning outcome is achieved. So for topic learning outcomes A, B, C, and D, your CLO number 1 is achieved. And for topic learning outcomes E and F, your CLO number 2 is achieved. So these are the topic learning outcomes that you should achieve after midterms. You have letter G, prepare an individual research proposal paper, present the individual research proposal, prepare a 2-minute self-introduction, write an application letter with curriculum vitae, prepare and present business advertisements, write business letters, utilize technologies to enhance communication. So during the final term, you have your module number 3, which is entitled Oral Communication and Special Topics. We will be covering multidisciplinary and multicultural communication, the nature of argumentation, persuasion, and negotiation, your IELTS standard in speaking. You also have your leadership, teamwork, and conflict resolution, job interview, delivering an excellent pitch, overcoming anxiety on public communication. The very last module is your module number 4, entitled Practicum, Event Organizing for Communication and Presentation Forum, wherein it would cover activity design, committee assignment and responsibilities, minutes of the meeting and activity reports, oral and written communication for events, event advertisements, promotional videos, and event implementation. So at the end of midterms, at the end of your finals, these are your topic learning outcomes. Discuss the various elements of oral communication, prepare a course reflection paper, work closely with a multidisciplinary group, prepare and present a group research proposal paper, present a group research proposal, prepare for a job panel interview, and write an updated application letter with curriculum vitae. Also included in the TLOs of your finals, prepare and present event advertisements, prepare and present event promotional videos, write multiple invitation letters to an event, organize a communication and presentation event, prepare activity reports and minutes of the meetings, utilize technologies to enhance communication. So the fourth topic is your course outcomes assessment tools. So you are already familiar with this, having that you are already a senior engineering and architecture students. Your assessment tasks or assessment tools is composed of class standing and exams. For the class standing, you have your quiz, sit works, homeworks, and presentation. And of course, for the exam, you would have your midterm and final exams. So the next one, or the last one, is the computation of your scores or your grades. I believe you are already familiar with this, but of course, let me just tell it to you again. So let's just recall. Your raw midterm score will consist of 50% of your class standing plus 50% of your exam score. Your raw final score is computed the same. You have 50% of the class standing and 50% of the final exam score. Lastly, your final score or your final grade is composed of 50% of your midterm score and 50% of your raw final score. There is a note here. Scores are transmuted to an equivalent grade for a score of at least 60% would be the minimum passing grade of 75. So you are already familiar with this term, wherein For any activity that I will be giving, you should get at least 60% of the perfect score so that your grade can be transmuted to a passing grade of 75. So that's it for the introduction of your course. The first topic that we will have next meeting is about human communication. I will be posting videos regarding human communication, and also I will be posting announcements wherein you could ask any questions that you may have. So that's it for now, class. Stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe. Goodbye.